It's a near impossible task that requires a lot of preparation, a lot of thinking, a lot of planning. And when the final execution happens and you end up with 2 live kids that are making a good recovery, it's a great experience. And all of that was done by the team in Rio. It was an excellent team, exceptionally talented team. Dr. Gabriel, my counterpart in Rio, had been looking after those boys for 2 years with his team, and they'd done a great job. If you look at the history of this type of surgery, perhaps 20 years ago it was felt that most of these surgeries were not possible. What we've shown now with our experience is that it is possible to undertake this surgery for a lot of the children, not all. There's certainly sets of twins that were referred and we declined to operate on them, but these kids we felt were separable with an acceptable level of risk.